Here I have OPPO A77s, and today I'm going to show you how to remove screen lock from this device in case if you set yourself PIN, password or pattern and unfortunately you forget it. So what can you do in this kind of a miserable situation? Firstly, you have to turn your device off by holding down power key plus volume up, then swipe power off. And after your device turns off completely, hold down combination of keys, power key plus volume down at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. And after the screen turns on and the phone vibrates, you can release power key and keep holding only volume down. And after you see recovery mode letters here, you can release all keys and just wait until you enter this kind of menu. So here in this menu you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, or you can just use like normal touch screen and don't use any keys. So here you should select an option format data, then you will have to enter verification code, like not exactly this one, you will have your own unique verification code. You enter it, tap format data, and after a few seconds all the data from your device will be deleted, and then device will be restarted in about a minute or so. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.